Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. So first of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now over here you can see I am here in my phone. I'll tap on WhatsApp and on the top you'll find these three dots. Tap on this and go to settings. Now to appear offline, first of all tap on this privacy. Now over here we'll perform 3 activities to appear offline on WhatsApp. Now let's do the first one. Over here on privacy you can find this last seen and online. Tap on this and over here select this nobody. That means nobody can view that when you are online. Now go back and over here you'll find this status. Tap on this. Now over here you can see who can see my status update. Tap on this only shared with. You can see 0 included. If somebody is included, just exclude them by tapping over here. Now let's do the final step. Go back and now over here you'll find this read receipts. You can see it's turned off. Actually in my case it's already turned off. If it is turned on, you can just tap on this and make this off. So in this simple way we can appear offline on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, just smash that like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.